And campers, I just want to talk to you a little bit about this South Texas fire debacle and just how messed up things really are. I was talking with a buddy of mine down in South Texas, this county just south of Bastrop, the one that burnt off the map, and he was telling me some of the contributing factors to this fire are plain stupidity and red tape. And red tape being, it's been reported on the news, they had helicopters sitting on the ground because the Forest Service didn't renew the contract over maintenance issues. So these helicopters are sitting on the ground while these fires were raging. So my buddy, he's a custom applicator. He sprays organic fields and crops and things like that. And he had a 300-gallon water tank. He's going to go out there and go help fight the fires. He came across this first forest guy and said, "Hey, I'm here to fight the fires, da-da-da-da." The forest guy said, "Oh, no, you have to be certified and approved and blah, 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 and yada, 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 and we can't use you." So he told him to go home. So he was leaving, he ran across this sheriff that he knew and told the sheriff, he said, "Well, I'm leaving, I'm going home." He said, "Why?" And he told him the story, and he goes, "Oh, hell no. You get your ass out there and you start fighting them fires, and if that dipshit federal guy comes over, I'll stomp his ass." So anyway, so he goes out there and he starts fighting fires and fighting them for 2 days. Well, then he goes home, it was like yesterday, I guess, goes home, and his neighbor starts burning his trash. Seeing that there's smoke on the horizon, is burning his trash. So he goes and calls the cops. There's no cops that can come out and enforce the no burn ban. So he takes his pistol, because the guy's a jackass, and goes over there and grabs a water hose and puts his fire out. And the guy starts bitching. He shows him the pistol. He says, "Look, I got a pistol. I got your hose. I'm putting your fire out. I've been fighting for 2 days. We're in a forest burn ban, blah." You know? Well, the guy calls the sheriff and is going to press charges. The sheriff said, "That's fine if you do." He said, "But I'm going to have to come out and arrest you on federal charges for burning a fire while we're having extreme drought conditions. And there's a burn ban going on." So that's federal charges. Well, Rick Perry did sum it up and said there's too much red tape. That's the reason these copters were sitting on the ground and the reason this fire got away so bad. There's too much red tape in America, too much red tape in politics. All of these people are doing a poor job. They need to just totally revamp all these systems, just like immigration. You need to give these people green cards so we can tax them legally and make money off that. We need $2 gas for 2 years so you can stimulate this economy, because this economy is not going to change over the next 2 years until after the election.